Perform the following to balance the Ronin-S before use. Mount the grip to the gimbal and toggle the lever to the locked position. Attach the standard tripod to the grip. Unfold the tripod and place it on a level surface as shown. Align the screws on the focus wheel with the M4 screw holes on the gimbal's 8-pin ports. Tighten the 2 screws on the focus wheel with the hexagonal socket. Mount the camera dovetail plate to the camera and secure it with the screw. Attach the lens support to the camera dovetail plate to secure the lens. Tighten the gimbal pan axes, roll axes, and tilt axes knobs. Slide the camera with the camera dovetail plate mounted onto the camera mounting base. Tighten the lock. Rotate the lens and ensure that the camera is facing upwards vertically and check whether the camera is balanced. If the camera is top or bottom heavy, push the tilt axis arm up or down. Then tighten the knob. If the camera faces upwards vertically and stays still, the camera is balanced. Make the camera point forward. Check whether the camera is balanced. If the camera is top or bottom heavy, push the camera mounting plate arm backward or forward. And toggle the lever to the locked position until the camera stays still when rotating the tilt axis by 45 degrees upwards or downwards. Hold and fix the roll axis motor and check whether the camera is balanced. If the left end of the roll axis is tilted downwards, the camera is left heavy. Push the roll axis arm to the right. Before adjusting the roll axis arm, hold the arm and lift it as shown. Tighten the roll axis knob. Adjust the camera by rotating the camera to the left or right by 45 degrees. If the camera can stay still, the roll axis is balanced. Grab the grip and tilt it sideways. Then check the gimbal's movement. If the gimbal is tilted to the right or left, push the pan axis arm forward or backward. Tighten the knob. If the camera can stay still, the Ronin-S is balanced. Press the grip power button once to turn on the battery. Press and hold the gimbal's power button to power on the Ronin-S. If you have any questions, contact DJI Support. Leave us a like if this video is useful for you. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.